Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Jetboil is probably one of the most versatile and efficient camping stoves on the market, designed for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize speed, simplicity, and portability in their cooking solutions. This compact system integrates a fuel source, burner, and cooking pot into a single, streamlined unit, allowing you to boil water for meals or hot drinks in mere minutes, even in challenging weather conditions, making it an indispensable tool for any adventure where quick, reliable heat is essential. Number 5. Jetboil MiniMo Camping Stove. Experience rapid boiling with our innovative technology. It reaches a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes, using significantly less fuel than traditional methods. Enjoy versatile cooking with precise heat adjustments. You can easily switch from a light simmer to a full boil, perfect for various culinary tasks. This system is ideal for individual meals. Its design allows you to cook and eat directly from the cup, making cleanup a breeze. Get started instantly with the reliable push-button igniter. When not in use, the burner stores sideways, saving valuable pack space. This compact system includes everything you need for cooking on the go. It's designed for convenience and performance in the outdoors. Lightweight and efficient, it's the perfect companion for camping and backpacking. Enjoy delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This system offers precise temperature control, allowing for simmering and sautéing, not just boiling. If you're looking for a versatile personal stove that can handle more than just boiling water, this is a great choice. It's ideal for solo backpackers or campers who enjoy cooking a variety of meals on the trail. What people say. Boils water in almost the same time than Flash model, it has excellent flame regulation, up to a ridiculous low minimum. Boiled 2 cups of water in under 5 minutes with wind, does exactly what it says it does and what I need it to do. Water boils very quickly and has taken no longer than 3 to 4 minutes. Pot adapter is included, which is great in case you want to use other cookware besides the cup. Number 4. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Stove Cooking System. Introducing the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. It's designed to make cooking in the wild as enjoyable as the journey itself. This versatile stove offers a powerful dual burner setup, perfect for preparing any meal. It can also connect with other compatible stoves for even more cooking flexibility. From a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, its adjustable flame control gives you the power to create simple or gourmet dishes. You'll have precise control over your cooking, no matter the recipe. Don't let the weather stop you. This robust outdoor range boasts 10,000 BTUs per burner and can boil water in just over 3 minutes. It even performs reliably in cold conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's time to pack up, the burners conveniently fold and nest inside the cook pot. This compact system saves valuable space, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a 2-burner stove, a non-stick fry pan, a large pot with a strainer lid, a windscreen, and a carry bag. Get ready to cook up a storm on your next trip. What we like. With 2 powerful burners, this system is designed for group cooking and preparing more elaborate meals. If you're camping with family or friends and want to cook simultaneously, this is the stove for you. Its ability to connect with other compatible stoves also offers expandability for larger groups or more complex cooking setups. What people say. The Jetboil system boils water incredibly fast, significantly reducing cooking time in the backcountry. Its compact and integrated design makes it easy to pack and set up, saving valuable space and effort during trips. The burner's efficiency is remarkable, allowing for multiple boils on a single fuel canister, which is great for extended use. Number 3. Creole Feast SBK 0800180QT Seafood Boiling Kit. Get ready for a grand seafood feast. This versatile appliance can perfectly boil everything from seafood to vegetables, cooking up to 45 pounds in just 30 minutes. Experience rapid heating with its single, powerful jet burner. It produces up to 100,000 BTU, ensuring large amounts of food are boiled quickly and efficiently. Starting is a breeze with the electronic ignition system. A simple push of a button provides a quick spark, preventing prolonged exposure to high heat. Lifting the lid is made easy and safe with the integrated lid hook. It allows for secure handling on the side of the pot. Please remember this appliance is not for frying turkey. Always wear high heat-resistant gloves when touching the handle during boiling. What we like. This is a heavy-duty boiling kit designed for large-scale outdoor cooking, perfect for seafood boils or feeding a crowd. If you're hosting a large gathering or preparing a big batch of food outdoors, its massive capacity and high heat output will get the job done quickly. It's ideal for tailgating, backyard parties, or any event where you need to boil large quantities of food. What people say. It was easy to use and very sturdy. The regulator works nicely and I couldn't be happier with the job it did. This heats up very fast and the pot is wide enough to allow the whole turkey to be submerged in order to loosen up the feathers. Game changer. The great part about this setup is the power of the burner and its efficiency with a very broad base pot. I did roughly 50 pounds of shrimp, crab, and veggies and the pot recovered very quickly. Number 2. Jetboil Sumo Camping Stove. Introducing the Jetboil Sumo, the perfect companion for your camping and backpacking adventures. It's designed to make cooking outdoors a breeze, no matter the conditions. Enjoy complete control over your cooking with its adjustable heat settings, from a rolling boil to a gentle simmer. The push-button igniter ensures quick and easy startup every time. Whether you're cooking for a small group of up to 4 or enjoying a solo trip, this system adapts to your needs. It performs reliably even in cold weather, down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Boil up to a liter of water in just about 4 minutes, making it ideal for preparing meals quickly. Its high capacity is perfect for group cooking, yet it's light enough for solo excursions. Everything nests neatly inside the cooking cup, saving valuable space and weight in your pack. The bottom cup doubles as a measuring cup or a convenient bowl. This comprehensive kit includes the stove, pot support, a 1.8-liter cooking cup with a cozy lid, bottom cup, fuel stabilizer, and a carry bag. All you need for your next outdoor culinary experience. What we like. This system is built for group camping, offering a larger cook cup suitable for up to 4 people. If you're camping with a small group and need a reliable stove that can handle larger meal preparations, this is an excellent option. Its performance in cold weather also makes it a dependable choice for year-round adventures. What people say. The Jetboil system boils water incredibly fast, significantly reducing cooking time in the backcountry. Its compact and integrated design makes it easy to pack and set up, saving valuable space and effort. The burner is efficient, providing a consistent flame even in windy conditions, which is crucial for outdoor cooking. Number 1. Jetboil Stash Ultralight Camping Stove. Introducing the Jetboil Stash, an ultralight cooking system designed for the serious backpacker. It combines a powerful stove with a titanium burner and a 0.8L flux ring cook pot for efficient cooking on the go. Experience lightning-fast meal prep with its iconic flux ring technology. It brings water to a boil in just 2.5 minutes, saving you time and fuel. Maximize your pack space with its ingenious nesting design. The burner and stabilizer fit neatly inside the cookpot, making it incredibly compact for transport. The cookpot includes built-in measuring markers and a snap-on lid with a pour spout. It even has storage for a fuel canister and mini lighter, though these are sold separately. Enjoy a steady cooking experience thanks to the integrated fuel stabilizer. It ensures everything remains stable and secure, even in challenging conditions. Handling is a breeze with the attached pour handle. This thoughtful feature makes serving your meals simple and convenient. What we like. This is the ultimate ultralight option for serious backpackers who prioritize minimal weight and pack space. If you're counting every ounce and need a compact cooking solution for solo trips, this stove is a game changer. Its titanium construction and efficient flux ring technology ensure rapid boiling without weighing you down. What people say. The Jetboil system boils water incredibly fast, significantly reducing cooking time in the backcountry. Its compact and integrated design makes it easy to pack and set up, saving valuable space and effort. The burner is stable and efficient, providing consistent heat output even in windy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.